checklist, please.
What we got? All right. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
And you did the power up?
Power up's complete.
All right. Before start, thrust levers.
Idle.
Parking brake.
Is parked.
ADS probe knob.
They're in auto.
Engine ignition switches.
They're in auto.
And the doors.
Doors are checked closed.
All right. Before start is complete.
Okay, starting 2. Maybe you could send a text, please, to 5 followers that we're starting. Thank you.
We'll do.
Ignition, light off. Oil pressure is good. All right. Can't believe we're in like mid-May almost, and it's that cold. Starting 1. There's rollback. Yeah, 6 degrees, man.
It's cold.
It is cold, but it's heating up quickly. All right, that's good. Let's go over to electrical. GPU disconnected. Electrical emer test. Battery's holding stable. Okay. Stall warning.
Stall, stall.
Yeah, nice.
Stall, stall. Stall, stall. Stall, stall.
Okay, after start checks, please.
All right. After start, the GPU.
Removed.
Electrical emer button.
Is tested battery 1, 2.
SWPS.
Tested.
And ice protection.
Tested.
After start is complete.
Thank you. It's going to be, you ready for a brief?
I'm ready for a brief.
All right, it's going to be a standard left seat departure off of runway 31 today. After we take off, it's going to be a left turn heading 190. We'll abort the takeoff for anything prior to 70 knots, anything being amber, red, loss of screen, smoke, fire, fumes, deer, you know, whatever. Above 70 knots, abort for anything red, smoke, fire. Above V1, we're going to take it in the air. I'll fly you fix with the QRH, and then we'll take it back probably to, depending on the situation, either here or Baltimore, depending on the length of runway we need.
All right. We are a little over landing weight.
We are? Yes, we are. A little bit over, a little bit, a couple 100 pounds. So we can burn that off, or if you know the situation demands it, we'll just do a very nice soft feather light landing, and we'll run it up afterwards. Questions?
Nope.
Okay, let's get some taxi instructions, please.
All right. Tower Phenom 308, Golf Victor at hangar 507, ready to taxi. We have a hotel.
Phenom 308, Golf Victor, runway 33, taxi via Foxtrot Echo.
Foxtrot Echo to 33, 308, Golf Victor.
Foxtrot Echo 233, clear left?
It is clear to the right.
It's so silly. I love it.
And it's clear all the way around.
Thank you. Let's get a before takeoff checklist, please.
All right, before takeoff, takeoff briefing.
Is complete.
Takeoff configuration.
Here it comes.
Takeoff. Okay.
Checked.
Yaw damper.
Is away.
Sign outlet switches.
Head belts off.
Passengers.
None.
All right, we are to the runway items, to the line.
Thank you.
Tower, Phenom 308 Golf Victor is going to be ready to go at 33.
Phenom 308 Golf Victor, Martin Tower, runway 33, clear for takeoff.
33, clear for takeoff, 308 Golf Victor. Final is clear.
Left side's clear. Line items.
All right, cast messages.
Are checked.
Lights.
Lights are, they're all on.
Ice protection ADS probes.
They're in auto.
Runway alignment.
It's coming up. Heading back set to 190. Runway 33 with a heading of 327.
All right, that's confirmed. Before takeoff checklist is complete now.
Thank you. I'm just going to get this and then a left turn to 190, otherwise it's going to be trying to give me a right turn. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Check thrust.
All right, ATR is green and the airspeed's alive. $70 knots, that's cross-checked. B1, rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up, flight level change 160.
Feet.
Flap 0, 180.
600 feet, autopilot available.
Autopilot on, please.
Engage your side.
Thank you. 1,000 for 2,000.
Golf Victor, contact departure.
Over to departure, 308 Golf Victor, good day. Departure Phenom 308 Golf Victor, climbing 1,500 for 2,000 in the turn to 190.
Phenom 308 Golf Victor, Potomac departure radar contact, altimeter 3002.
02.
02.
Golf Victor, so maintain 2,000, advise airport.
Descend to 2,000 and we'll advise airport 308 Golf Victor.
Going down to 2,000 feet, we'll advise the airport. I have... Oh, is that in front of us? That's it, isn't it?
I see.
Shit, okay, gear down.
Runway?
Give me gear down.
You're coming down.
Yeah, second runway is that way. I have it in sight. You can call
Hey,
it.
Golf Victor, looks like there's traffic, 1 o'clock, just departed off for Easton, about 6 miles, indicating 1800, appears to be climbing northwestbound.
All right, we're looking for that traffic. We do have the airport in sight for 308 Golf Victor.
308 Golf Victor, thanks, clear vision approach runway 22, Easton Towers 1852, so.
1852 and so long. 308 Golf Victor, clear for the visual approach.
Flaps 1.
All right, flaps coming 1, speed checks.
Flaps 2.
Descending.
Looking, 78 Romeo.
Flaps 2, speed checks.
Hey, Nick Romeo, that's traffic in sight.
Yeah, call me, Roger.
Okie dokie. Airport in sight. Can you set 1,600, please?
All right, altitude
Autopilot.
1,600.
Thank you. Vertical speed, 1,000 foot down per minute.
Easton Tower. Phenom 308 Golf Victor is on a base for visual approach to runway 22.
Number 78 Echo Romeo, frequency change approved. You have a good day.
Good day, 78 Echo Romeo.
Phenom 308 Golf Victor, Easton Tower, runway 22, clear to land. Wind 300 at 12, gust 24.
Clear to land, runway 22, 308 Golf Victor.
Clear to land 22.
Golf Victor.
Jeez. I'm going to go out a little more and give myself a little bit more of a final.
Gonna work.
Flaps 3.
Flaps 3. Alright, come on down.
Flaps full.
Flaps full.
4-lane checklist.
4 landing checklist.
Altitude.
Before landing, the cross speed knob
Is off.
landing gear,
Down 3 green to red.
flaps,
Full.
airspeed.
Oh, bird. 1 second. Airspeed's coming back down to ref.
Alright, and yaw damper.
Is away.
Alright, before landing checklist is complete. We're clear to land, runway 22.
Thank you. Turning final. Strong wind.
$500.
Ground spoilers are deployed.
Golf Victor, say parking area.
We're going to Easton Jet 308 Golf Victor.
Number 308 Golf Victor, right turn there, Charlie, and Charlie Alpha, cross 1533, and then left turn at Delta.
Charlie Alpha cross 3315, and then a left on Delta for 308 Golf Victor.
Okay, clear.
Clear on the right.
Alright, after landing checklist.
After landing checklist is complete.
Thank you.